Corona sebagai pandemi.
This storm has definitely hit all of us. So why not a bit of calm water? Not too calm. The Cambridge Dictionary describes bonanza as the abundance of something valuable. And is there anything more valuable than the ocean? I guess we're all sailors in this life, on a quest to find our treasure. But with that being said, we've got to learn how to navigate. But in the end of the day, no matter how skilled you are, the ocean will always choose your path. So let's make sure to enjoy the light breeze of the calm sea, because once things start to get shaky, that's when we need to use our wisdom to get our boat through the rough moments. The storm may pass quickly, or sometimes it might feel like it's lasting too long. A positive attitude will turn heavy rains into a sprinkle. But still, if we learn to dance in the rain, we will always find our bonanza.